Hi, I'm Pam, and I'm from the San Francisco Bay Area, and I just finished a week-long cooking school with Diane's classes in Ikaria, and I have so much positive things to say about it. And I want to preface everything by saying that I'm Greek, and I grew up on my mother's cooking, but it was a delight to come here for all of you Greek Americans or Greek Europeans who are thinking to come and learn some new twists and some new ingredients that make a big difference in the outcome of the recipe. Diane's setting, her backyard setting, is amazing, and her tour of her backyard is true farm to table cooking. We enjoyed the camaraderie on the first day. We didn't know anybody, and we were all strangers. And by the end of the week, we were all feeling like family, and we all cared about each other. I wanted to mention two recipes in particular. One is the sufico recipe, the vegetable dish, the layered vegetable dish. It was amazing, amazing. I didn't get that one growing up, and then the other recipe I wanted to shout out to is the dolmadas, the great stuffed grape leaves. And although my mother had a couple of recipes and made them, I never tried them because I was a little intimidated with how you roll it and how you tuck it into the pot. But after this, I'm going to go home and take out the jar of grape leaves that I have in my pantry, and I'm going to make it. So all in all, a wonderful, relaxing, low-key. Diane is wonderful. She's low-key and anything goes. She's delightful, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it.